Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will guide you through the simple steps to log in to your Postmates driver account. Whether you are a new driver or returning after some time, following these easy steps will help you access your account effortlessly. Step 1. Open the Postmates driver app. Start by locating the Postmates driver app on your device. If you haven't downloaded it yet, you can find it in the App Store for iOS devices or Google Play Store for Android devices. Open the app to begin the login process. Step 2. Click on the Login button. Once the app is open, look for the Login button on the home screen. This button is usually located at the bottom of the screen. Tap on it to proceed. Step 3. Enter your email address or phone number. You'll be prompted to enter your registered email address or phone number associated with your Postmates driver account. Make sure you enter the correct information to avoid any login issues. Step 4. Enter your password. After entering your email or phone number, the next step is to input your password. Ensure that you enter it accurately, as passwords are case sensitive. Double-check for any typos before moving on. Step 5. Tap on Login. Once you have entered your credentials, tap the Login button to submit your information. If your email and password are correct, you will be directed to your driver dashboard. Step 6. Troubleshooting login issues. If you're having trouble logging in, make sure you have a stable internet connection. If you forget your password, tap on the Forgot Password link to initiate the password reset process. Follow the instructions in your email to create a new password. Step 7. Start delivering. After successfully logging in, you can start accepting delivery requests and earning money. Familiarize yourself with the app features to ensure smooth deliveries. Thank you for following this step-by-step guide to log into your Postmates driver account. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. Happy driving!